Well, this is just a test video for my replacement GoPro that crapped itself. Well, the medium I did, but anyway, this is cleve weir, which is half an hour, 40 minutes out of Lock where we're staying. The rain feels like it's cleared. We're yet to know if we're working tomorrow. Lock weir, as I said, merely a test to see how this settings on videos work, how the camera itself works. Cleve lock, cleve weir, merely as a test video. Cleve just outside of Lock, half an hour, 40 minutes out of Lock. All the farm wheats, barley is extracted in that area and taken out to Lock where we work. All around us is wheat and barley fields predominantly. Harvest season is in swing. 2 hot days, 42 yesterday, 39 the day previous. That's the weir. Some walking tracks through there. A map here with the walking trails on it. Reservoir loop 3.1k, 3.1k. Longest one's 5.5k. That's the old Dalkey weir trail. Leads to the Cleve township, 5.5 k's away. And there are some historical houses in there. Looks like someone's done burners down there. Good on them. But yeah, this is historical weir. The dam wall, weir wall, concrete across. There to there. So I just had to read. The Yogutni scheme was the first large water conservation distribution network on the Eyre Peninsula, constructed at Arno Bay and cow farming areas. Reticulated water came, which means farmers were able to use their water for crops year round. This weir was completed in 1912, supplied water to Arno Bay and surrounding area. Cleve did not receive a reticulated water supply until 1928.
I can't remember which ones we shutter speed. Yeah.
Rel's having fun with her new camera and her course. She's getting the settings right, she's getting a bit frustrated.
You think?
Yeah, so reticulated water, so that meant the farmers had water all year round. And in 1954, the district was linked with the Ule-Wanilla water scheme. And the reservoir remains. The Engineering and Water Supply Department relinquished its interest in the scheme when the water supply proved to be too unreliable. So at some stage between 1954 and 2024 it was too unreliable for water, so the Water Board ditched it and said yep, no longer useful. Plus modern times would have had modern ways of getting water through the Eyre Peninsula out to these areas. In the township of Cleve, there's this horse and buggy made out of different various farming materials. Like the horse is made out of metal, it's got a chain tail. His feet are made with chains. Spanners just sculptured, showing you all the different uses for metal. There's a long spiel about it, but basically it's just telling you how the horses in the day worked, showed you how they worked, and this was done by a fella called Turtle. It's the main street of Cleve down that way, and on the other side you've got this magnificent mural to show again Cleve and its various activities, flowers, kangaroos, farmer, eagles. It's just the locals showing the township what it's about. Predominantly wheat farming, barley farming. Murals are becoming popular in towns for the town to express their background of the town. Various towns you go through, there's actually a silo tour you can do, drive tour you can do through Victoria. You haven't seen one through South Australia as yet, but it's becoming more and more popular for towns to express themselves through murals, silo art, the like. Cleve's pretty much that main street we're on, this main street through, which is the highway, gets you through down into Arno Bay. We haven't been to Arno Bay yet. Cleve Township. It's larger than Lock. Lock's only smaller. Lock's only a third of this size really. No shops at Lock. A shop, it's expensive, but anyway. Popular little spot to stop into, Cleve. It's got a few things, post offices, chemists, bank, a Mitre 10, stuff you won't get at Lock, 40 minutes away. There's that horse again, in the mural. We'll see what else we can see on this little tour of Cleve. But yeah. A little bit further down the main street we've got an eagle. Made by the same fella, Turtle. Or Reggie, it's Reggie the Wedgie, so Reggie the wedge-tail eagle. Here's again. Made out of, don't think you can see them, but the golf club heads, spanners, all sorts of different metal. Another one. This one's Reggie the Wedgie, so Reg the wedge-tail eagle. All sorts of materials made this eagle up. Is a bit like, there's a fella in Victoria, Western Victoria, the Spanner Man. He's the same, he's passed away now, but he made a lot of metal objects out of spanners, hence the name Spanner Man. But this guy is carrying on his tradition. He's got more than spanners in there, but he's got golf club heads, he's got fencing wire, all sorts of things going on. He's got harvesting teeth, more than just spanners in this one. But yeah, it's the same as the Spanner Man in Western Victoria.